Okay, so we're back over here at Woody's, and this is the car that was pictured that he was working on, and this is how far he's gotten it. This is that Cougar, and it's a very special one. It's the 429. I don't know all the business about it, but boy, it's got the 9-inch Ford. He got that all rebuilt in it. That's back in. He's putting all the different things up here, you know, the mat and all that kind of stuff. And this actually has a sunroof in it too, factory. And then look at all of this. It just, he's really doing a job on this thing. Woody, tell me, what is this car?
W1 Mercury Cougar, XR7, 429 Cobra Jet with a power sunroof in it. There's only 7 of them made.
Yeah, this is a very special car. This is George's car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But just look at the detail. Amazing. And this car was a rotted up, it was ready for the junkyard. But because it was such a special car, it flat out. Boy, I'm gonna tell you what, a lot of time in this car. But just look at those quarter panels. When you look down the side of them, it's amazing. And here's the trunk. He's got the trunk all done. Yeah, it's amazing, this car. So, yep. And then he's got my car. He's been working on my car. He's got the deck lid. Right here is in final prime. It's ready to be, they got to just block it or whatever, and then they could paint it, but the whole rest of the car is not ready. But here's what he's been doing on my car. He did the doors. I can't pull this off and show you, but he did the corner. Right here, he did the corners of the doors. Right here. He got, because each corner's got a little rust hole in it, but he did the quarter panel. Now that's in final prime, I think, or close to it. I'm not sure. I don't know all of his technique, but he really did a good job on it, I'm gonna tell you. It looks good. You look down the side of it. It just flat out looks good. And then he did the other side. You can see, and these quarter panels were beat up on top because there was a barn or a garage in a windstorm fell on this car. Now right now he's sanding this quarter panel. It has the first coat of primer on it. So he's got that thing looking really good. He's got her looking good. He's block sanding it right now. So this is the update on this 72 LS3 big block heavy Chevy with a build sheet. We got the build sheet for it. This is a factory big block, and it is in process. So the guy that made the big comment about how it didn't turn out, well, you was a little premature, because this car is going to be beautiful. It'll be just like that yellow one right there. It'll be just like that car right there when it's done. That car is beautiful. The camera really doesn't do it any justice, but that is a beautiful car. So, yep, the old Heavy Chevy, she's a-going. She's a-getting done. And I told Woody, I said, I don't care how long it takes. It can take 5 years for all I care. Because when he's done with this car, it's going to be a show car. It will be beautiful. So anyways, that's what I got for you right now. And as he continues, in fact, what Woody said was, Friday is Chevelle Day. So every Friday he works on just this car. Or he takes, if he can't do it on Friday, he'll do it one day through the week. And this is major right here, what he's got done, because after he gets this in the back tail panel, this part back here. Once he gets that, then all he's got to do is the roof. Then the rest of the sheet metal is all brand new, and it's going to go fast once that happens. So you just got to do this tail pan back here. If I can get it up, yeah, that tail pan right there. He's got to do that. He's got to do that, and then he's got to do the roof and the doors. And once he gets all that done, it's going to be nice. Here's my tail pan. It goes on it. He won't have much to do to that because that tail pan was almost perfect. Let's just sand it and block it and all that stuff. So anyways, I just thought I'd do this to give you an update because I know a lot of people are anxious to see if there's anything going on, which there is. So all right, so that's it for now. Talk at you later.